Now, Suzanne, you said you felt like you looked tired, so we really want to work around your eye area to wake them up and give them that well-rested, I've just been on vacation look.
Yes.
So your muscle follows a circular pattern right around your eye, and what you want to do is start under the eye, then follow the muscle to move up around the eye and just hold barely under the eyebrow here for a few seconds. Gently massage above the eye, then back down under it. And you want to repeat this movement several times. So you'll spend time on the rest of your face as well, but you want to focus on those areas that you're trying to improve. When you move the instrument, you always want to be very gentle and let the galvanic current do the work. You want to apply some very light pressure, but never enough to tug or pull at the skin. When you're working around the eye area especially, avoid getting too close to the eye itself. It's always a good habit to simply follow the bone structure around the eye. That could be your guide. Now, if you lose contact with the chrome panel at any time during your treatment, simply adjust your hold on the instrument and resume your timed treatment.
So why does it keep beeping?
Well, as you use the instrument, you'll hear it beep every 20 seconds, and this is simply the instrument letting you know it's working. When it beeps twice, that means your session is finished.
Earlier you mentioned it would kind of make us look a little bit more awake, refreshed. How does it actually do that?
Well, that's a great question. This is the pre-treat cycle, or as some people like to call it, it's the purifying cycle. During this cycle, both the gel and the galvanic instrument are negatively charged. And since like charges repel each other, the negative charge pushes ingredients into the skin where it binds to impurities. Dirt, oil, and other impurities make the skin look dull and tired. So in the next step, the galvanic instrument will pull those impurities out to give her skin a fresher, more vibrant look. So the instrument has beeped twice. That means the cycle is finished. So you can pull it away from your face. Now there will be a check mark in the display screen to actually show that the cycle is finished. The next step is to take a clean cloth, clean wet cloth, and remove any of the remaining gel from the instrument itself and also from that side of your face.
Like that?
Yeah, just make sure it's all cleaned off and then remove the remaining gel from your face as well. Now it's time for the second part of our facial treatment. Pick up the blue vial, which is the treatment gel, and then go ahead and snip off the tip just like you did on the first one and squeeze the entire contents onto your fingers. Smooth the gel onto the same half of your face and neck that you pre-treated. Now let's set the instrument for this step. The treatment gel has a positive charge to it, and we'll set the instrument to a positive charge as well. Since the instrument is already set to a one fountain icon, you only need to press the selection button once, and you'll see a two fountain icon appear for the positive current. Wait for the number 1 to appear, then quickly press the button twice for a 3-minute treatment. Now we're set for a 3-minute treatment on a positive setting. So now you just have to moisten your fingers and start the treatment session. Hold the instrument covering the chrome panel, touch it to your skin, it programs itself to your skin, and now you're ready to start.
So Tanya, in the first step she was purifying her skin. What is she doing now?
Well, in this step, she's not only drawing out impurities so her pores can breathe, but she's also delivering beneficial ingredients into the skin. This helps increase cellular energy. The ingredients also calm and revive the skin and help it recover from stress. Now for a more scientific explanation. As I've mentioned, during the pre-treat cycle, both the gel and the galvanic instrument are negatively charged. And since like charges repel each other, the negative charge delivers the pre-treatment gel to the skin, where its unique properties help it bind with impurities. During the treatment cycle, both the gel and the instrument are positively charged. These positive charges also repel each other, helping to deliver beneficial ingredients to the skin. And the positively charged instrument also attracts the remaining negatively charged impurities from the pre-treat cycle, drawing them out of the skin. Okay, so 2 beeps means we're finished. So you can turn the instrument off by pressing the selection button until the display is blank. Then remove any remaining product from the conductor and the instrument with a damp towel. You'll also want to remove the conductor and sanitize and dry the instrument thoroughly. To remove the conductor, press the release button while you hold the sides of the conductor. And you'll want to remove any remaining gel from your face and neck, along with the impurities the instrument has helped draw out. For the best results possible from your Galvanic spa, you're going to want to do the Galvanic facial treatment at least 2 to 3 times a week. And that's the end of your first Galvanic spa session at home. Now at this point, it's very important to discuss the results of this Galvanic experience. First, I want to ask Suzanne, how does your skin feel after that Galvanic spa?
It almost feels like lighter, like something had been lifted out of my skin. I can really feel the difference from one side to the other. The side that I didn't treat almost feels heavier, lower, and this really does feel lighter and brighter.
Well, you look amazing. Amazing. And you can see the smile lines right in through here. You can see that there was a little puffiness that has gone down.
It really has smoothed it out and evened it out, and it makes such a difference.
And even look at the quality of your look at the quality of her skin.
It's lighter and it's smoother. Yeah, it's really
beautiful.
Really amazing.
And I want you to pay special attention to her jawline too. If you take a look at her jawline, it almost looks as though this side of her skin, the treated side, is a little smaller than the other side. So everybody else, I want you to remember when we first started talking about working on her eye area to help her look a little more well-rested and revitalized. How does she look?
Oh, Suzanne, your eye looks really open now.
You really do look awake, doesn't she?
Yeah, Suzanne, it really does look good.
Wow.
Now remember, studies have shown that for the next 24 hours, your Galvanic treated skin will be more receptive to treatment products and their active ingredients.
That's amazing. It looks so good. So I have to know where I can get one of these. This is amazing. Looking in the mirror, I can see what I feel. My treated side is it looks lifted. I feel a little almost lopsided, like I need the other side done.
Well, we'll get you one of those Galvanic spas. You can actually buy yours and take it home today.
That's great.